7 secrets to make him deeply obsessed with you and to become his new addiction. Even if you're head over heels in love with a guy, he may not feel the same way. He may have a good time when you're together, but it isn't enough if you want to call and message you every day to let you know that he's thinking about and loves you. So, how can you get him fascinated with you the way you want? Want him to completely lose his mind? Well, we've got the inside scoop on some amazing tips to get your partner completely fascinated with you. Are you ready to turn up the heat in your relationship and have him thinking about you 24/7? Well, buckle up and take some notes. What is the psychology behind a man's obsession with you? Before we go into those juicy tips, let's first explore the psychology of what makes a man fall in love. Knowing what makes his heart race can help you catch his full attention. Here are some of the psychological reasons you'll become your guy's new addiction. Attraction. A combination of physical appearance, personality, and unexplained chemistry. It's the spark that ignites the flame of passion and keeps him returning for more. Craving novelty. Our brains are programmed to seek new experiences and excitement. To make him fascinated, you must become the source of that thrill. Finding the right balance. It's important to combine surprise with familiarity. Keep him on his toes by being both unpredictable and comforting at the same time. Tapping into psychological triggers. Learn what makes him tick and use it to your benefit. If you understand his needs and concerns, you may make yourself desirable in his eyes. Becoming his dream girl. By understanding the psychology of his obsession, you can craft a persona that makes you his ultimate fantasy. Now that you've mastered the basics, you're ready to learn our excellent techniques for making your partner absolutely obsessed with you. Number 1. Make your man feel loved. This is the background to your efforts to get him fascinated with you, as well as your most important relationship rule: make the man feel loved. I know you've heard that men are particularly interested in sex, and while sex is crucial, no matter how vanilla it sounds, love is still the most important thing. Everyone craves love. Whether we like it or not, everything we do is intended to make people love us. So, when you make your boyfriend or spouse feel loved, approved of, and appreciated, an important gear moves in his heart. He gets devoted to you. Unless he's an idiot, it might not work for your own benefit. Number 2. Allow yourself to be vulnerable. How can you get him fascinated with you with no significant effort? Allow yourself to be vulnerable. Being vulnerable may seem like something you should avoid, but it isn't. Men find feminine vulnerability appealing. Guys enjoy making vulnerable women feel safe, protected, and cared for. So, it's another reason to just be yourself with all of your flaws and shortcomings. Number 3. Be an equal partner in your relationship. This one is really crucial. How can you keep him captivated with you forever? Don't be a puppet. Be an equal partner in your relationship, sharing your emotions, opinions, and ideas, initiating talks, and making decisions with him. Of course, this may not apply to each relationship, but I'm speaking from personal experience. Guys admire women who are self-assured enough to play an equal part in their relationship. It demonstrates that you understand your worth and refuse to be ruled by others. You're your own ruler, and that's certainly something to get obsessed about. Number 4. Make him feel valued and appreciated. If you want him to be infatuated with you, you ought to value him. So what do I mean by this? Do not make him feel small and don't belittle him. The quickest way to end a relationship is to make fun of someone in front of others. Don't do it. Don't make fun of anyone in general. That's not cool, especially with your partner or husband. Instead, lift him up. Be supportive of your partner and always be there for him. Be his invisible wall, the safe haven he may return to after a tough day. Even more, be appreciative of his efforts, work, and everything he does for you and others around you. Compliment him and make him feel cherished just as he is. I hope it doesn't seem like you're faking it to satisfy the man. Don't get me wrong, I think you love your man, boyfriend, husband, and would honestly want to appreciate and encourage him. If you don't feel that way about him, it may be beneficial to evaluate your feelings. Number 5, be educated and smart. Do you believe that men become fascinated with perfectly looking women? Well, I won't sugarcoat it. Some of them truly do. But you have no clue what an educated, intelligent woman can do to them either. The allure of a sharp mind and intelligence is timeless, and it frequently outperforms the superficial appeal of physical beauty. Yes, some men are initially attracted to a woman's outer appearance, but what captivates and retains their interest is her intelligence and ability to take part in engaging conversation. So, here's how to get him obsessed with you in your mind. Be someone he can have deep, important conversations with. An intelligent conversation can be subtly seductive. It may be a game of wit and insight, with each exchange sharpening the attraction. By challenging him intellectually, you'll create an environment in which growth is mutual and every conversation has the potential to lead to new realms of understanding each other. This interaction is extremely appealing and can result in an obsession based on genuine respect and affection. If you want to go above and beyond and truly captivate your partner, try gathering knowledge about the topics he likes. Being knowledgeable about his interests and hobbies not only demonstrates your desire to understand his world, but also that you are someone of substance. When you can discuss topics dear to his heart, you become an invaluable confidant and a partner he seeks out for meaningful engagement. What's the conclusion? The feeling of having someone to talk with is a really powerful bonder. When he believes you're the most interesting person to talk to, he will become obsessed. Number 6, keep the intimacy alive. How do you get him to be physically obsessed with you? Maintain intimacy once you've entered the physical bonding phase. To keep intimacy alive, it's critical to cultivate emotional connection, establishing a safe place in which vulnerabilities may be shared and the deepest levels of desires can be exposed without fear of being judged. Intimacy thrives in quiet moments, delicate touches, understanding glances, and shared laughter. Regularly set aside time to be truly present with one another. Make a secret world in which the language of touch, words, and gazes is only understood by the two of you. Remember, intimacy isn't static. It's an ongoing dance of connection that demands attention, creativity, and dedication to keep it alive. And number 7, be mysterious. Keeping a feeling of mystery might be an effective method to hold your partner's attention and keep the relationship alive. While transparency is essential, it's also appealing to leave something to the imagination. Mystery arouses curiosity and intrigue, prompting a guy to delve deeper into the enigma that is you. Thus, reveal yourself in layers at a natural pace, leaving him wondering what delights await beneath the surface. For example, you may periodically mention hobbies or interests that you haven't completely revealed to him yet, or you could surprise him with a talent or passion he had no idea you possessed. This might be as simple as a hidden talent for creating art, writing poetry, or a love for space or history. By not sharing every information about yourself at once, you give him the opportunity to ask questions and keep the conversations flowing. In a society where oversharing is the norm, a little mystery may go a long way towards maintaining the spark of attraction and curiosity in your relationship. Well, there you have it. So here's a bonus tip for you. I believe that other factors are more important, but we cannot deny that appearance is also very important. Drive him crazy with your appearance. And no, you don't have to look like a model. Enhance whatever you have best in you. Make sure your hair is healthy, silky, and touchable. Take care of your skin. Exercise to feel active and in a good mood. Keep your nails tidy as a sign that you understand the importance of hygiene. Smell fresh and pleasant. Someone who loves oneself is always appealing to others. Thanks for watching.